My name's Carter, and I race professional motocross and supercross. I had a practice crash at Club MX in South Carolina. I hit my head pretty hard, but I couldn't go outside. I couldn't handle the lights. I couldn't go and see some of these brighter lights or be around big crowds, and I didn't really know what was going on. And
My name is Logan. I am a strength and performance specialist at Turn 2 Performance in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I just graduated from the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point, where it was my last year playing baseball with them. Was a starter and got a fastball off my head. It was my first concussion of the year.
My name is Murray Eves. I began coaching at a prep school in Faribault, Minnesota. In 2001, I woke up with symptoms of vertigo, dizziness, hearing problems, vision problems. It was later diagnosed that I had a cavernous malformation in the brainstem. That's where my story began with Dr. Schmo.
I called on a Friday, Dr. Schmo got me in on a Monday, and in 2 weeks I was ready to go. I'm back on a dirt bike. Anyone that's ever had an issue in our industry, this is where I send them. I'm like, at the end of the day, it's your life, and if you want to be able to ride a dirt bike, what we do is not easy and not the safest sport in the world. So if your head isn't firing on all cylinders, you shouldn't be out there, and Dr. Schmo can get it back to 100%.
It is helping people regain some of their independence, regain some of the, the things that they have lost from a physical standpoint, and to have productive and meaningful lives. I feel very blessed to have met people like Dr. Schmo who can, give you some hope.
Biggest thing for me was right away having the real life feedback and being able to have them say, this is something that many people go through. This is something that we do treat, and having that hope that I can get better. I feel great. I feel almost like my old self, and just having that in one day just gave me a lot of hope.